Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Calendar and create a separate calendar called Assignments so items stay distinct. You add the first event by entering the course and due date in the title, then set the event duration to match estimated work time. This reserves focus blocks. Once done, add 2 reminders, one 1 week ahead and another 48 hours prior, so you see the deadline early and again close enough to act. Make sure to color code the calendar for instant visual scanning. After creating the main event, break the assignment into actionable subtasks: research, outline, draft, revise, each as its own event. You schedule these across days before the due date at realistic durations and use recurring events for weekly prep so habit forms. Once done, paste links, attach files, and add a checklist in the description to keep resources handy. Make sure to label each subtask with progress tags like draft or final so you can filter quickly. Finalize by syncing your assignments calendar to your phone and school account so notifications arrive where you work. Once done, test a reminder by creating a short test event and confirming push and email alerts. Make sure to review upcoming week every Sunday, moving blocks if priorities shift. If something goes wrong, first check calendar visibility and account permissions, then force a sync or refresh. If recurring events vanish, re-add and verify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.